My name is Carrie, and I'm currently a HVAC business owner with my husband, and I've been a part of the YogaFaith community for probably about a year. I was in a really hard spot. I was a caretaker for my mother who was suffering with dementia, and I was just not doing any self-care for myself. I really was just searching for something. I was very spiritual, very involved in church, but was missing the active part in my life. And so I actually found YogaFaith online, and that's when I joined in on this lovely journey. I think having YogaFaith in my life since I found it has really grounded me. It really did give me more of a sense of myself. I was able to find myself again along in that caretaking situation. Since then, my mother has passed away, and so I was really looking for something to fill that that emptiness, I guess, and using the scriptures and the flow and the worship music that's involved in YogaFaith really did make a difference in my life. Without that, I don't know. I think I would have turned more to, going and having to be put on medication or other realms to survive some of the traumas and hardships, that you go through when you lose a loved one. And so having YogaFaith really did fill all those boxes. It let me check those boxes of things that I needed to help heal my heart and soul.